Hey guys! Welcome to vlog number 2. Last time we asked where you want us to go next. The beach, the mountains, or maybe London. And guess what? You picked the mountains. So, this morning we finally packed up. While our car battery was charging to 100%, we booked a beautiful hotel in the mountains down in the south of Poland, one of the prettiest regions in the whole country. As usual, getting an early start wasn't exactly our thing. We're more of night owls. We like to sleep in a bit and take our time. And breakfast? Oh yeah, we take breakfast seriously here. In Poland, most people say it's the most important meal of the day. And honestly, I totally agree. So yeah, today we managed to get going around noon, not bad for us. We're leaving our home and heading south. Today we will be staying at the Crystal Mountain Hotel in Wisła, a beautiful town in southern Poland. In winter, this place turns into a ski paradise. It's actually home to one of the biggest ski jump in Poland, named after Adam Małysz. Do you know who he is? The greatest ski jumpers in history and a real Polish legend. Wisła is also where the longest river in Poland, the Vistula, begins. Maybe we'll take you on a little adventure later to find its source. First, a quick stop to pump up the tires. Do you guys always check your tire pressure before a road trip? Alright, we're all set now. We're heading south through Poland. It's over 300 kilometers, which is roughly 185 miles for our viewers in the US. It's going to be a 4-5 hour drive, with a stop to recharge the car and probably grab a bite to eat along the way. I don't know if it's just us, but as far as I can remember, every time we hit the road over the past 2 years it starts raining. Do you guys have the same experience, like weird coincidences like this? Is there a name for this phenomenon? We've been on the road for over 2 hours now. Time for a toilet break, a coffee, and maybe a little snack. We'll also charge the car while we're here. Let me know if any of you have switched to an electric car too. Do you feel like these forced charging breaks every 2-3 hours actually make the trip easier and less tiring? I remember with a gas car we only stopped every 5-6 hours, which definitely made the journey more exhausting. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We need to charge the car for about 20 minutes, so there's not really time for a full meal. Luckily, there's a shopping mall nearby, so let's go check out what they have. That was a pretty quick stop. We didn't really have time to sit down at any restaurant, and we weren't in the mood for fast food anyway. Honestly, we're not that hungry. After a quick bathroom break, we're back on the road. The good news? We can already see the mountains in the distance, and the weather's starting to clear up. Less than an hour to go until we reach the hotel. Let's keep rolling. The last stretch up the mountain was really steep and a bit bumpy. You can feel it in the car, right? So yeah, walking down to the town from here might not be the best idea. But look at that. Here it is, Crystal Mountain Hotel, our home for the weekend. Crystal Mountain Hotel in Wisła. It's one of the most modern 5-star hotels in southern Poland. It's a big place with almost 500 rooms, amazing mountain views, and a massive indoor water park with pools, slides and saunas. There's also a luxury spa, great restaurants, and plenty of space to relax with family. It's the perfect spot for a weekend getaway, especially after a long road trip. Look at this view. Does it qualify as $1 million view? I don't think we even need the TV in this room. You could honestly just stare out the window all day, or sit on the balcony. And would you believe our apartment has 5 balconies? It's wild. but with a view like this, I guess it makes perfect sense. We're all checked in now and heading to our room, or actually our suite. It's all the way at the end of the hallway, so I guess we won't have to worry about getting our daily steps in while we're here. Quick bathroom check, it's clean, spacious, and yes, it even has a view. Nice big shower, good quality toiletries, but I immediately spotted one problem. The toilet paper is installed the wrong way around. Tell me I'm not the only one who notices stuff like this. My ADHD and little obsessions just won't let me ignore it. Do you feel the same? Almost forgot to tell you we booked this weekend because we're celebrating our 10th anniversary. Originally it was supposed to be just the two of us, but our daughter caught a little cold and started running a fever. We didn't want to leave her with grandma and put that responsibility on her. So here we are, the three of us, celebrating together. Now I need to check what activities they have planned this weekend for the little ones. Looks like someone is pretty happy they didn't stay with grandma. And now I still need to test the bed. The pool downstairs looks super tempting. But nope, we're a bit hungry already. Let's head down to the town and grab something to eat. Just a quick 5-minute drive and we're heading down to the valley to the town of Wisła. We're going to the main pedestrian street, full of little shops, stalls and restaurants. Of course, I couldn't help myself and had to check out what the local shops have to offer. We quickly checked Google reviews for R.A. Robert Fido and decided to go there today. But real talk, do you guys trust Google reviews? Do you think they're still legit? Or are restaurateurs finding ways to manipulate them? Well, we're about to find out. Unfortunately, we have to say this meal definitely doesn't deserve a 4.9 rating on Google. We ordered 2 sets of pierogi, by the way. Do you guys know Polish pierogi? Dumplings, the dough was overcooked, the filling barely seasoned and lacking in flavor. Hannah, of course, went for chicken nuggets. She's a nugget connoisseur all over the world. Haha, but they were really dry here, clearly cooked way ahead of time and just reheated before serving. Hannah barely ate anything, but we were starving and finished our plates. The only plus? The portions were a good size. So, should we leave our sincere review, or just like us, do usually stick to just positive ones? Let's take a look around. Wisła seems like a really nice little town. It's our first time here, so we're excited to wander along the main street, maybe even pick up some souvenirs. Who knows? What a day! We're back in our room, catching the sunset, and that's a wrap on this vlog. But don't worry, our adventure here isn't over yet. If you want to keep exploring with us and join all the next trips, you know the drill. See you in the next vlog.